So good morning students. Today I will discuss the properties of a plane mirror. Plane mirror are those mirrors which we generally see at homes, which we generally use while dressing up at home. Those are examples of plane mirrors. So there are some properties of plane mirrors which we need to know in this chapter of light. Today I will be discussing about the properties of plane mirror. So here, first of all, suppose this is the ground. This one we assume this to be the ground. That means the surface. I put a mirror here. This is the mirror. Non-reflecting surface. This one is the non-reflecting surface, while this one is the reflecting surface. A person is standing here. A person is standing here at a distance of 1 meter from the mirror. This one is 1 meter. An object is formed at the back of the mirror. In case of a plane mirror, an object image is formed at the back of the mirror. So here, suppose this one is the surface or the ground, this one is the plane mirror, this one is the reflecting surface, and this one is the non-reflecting surface. This represents the non-reflecting surface. This one is the object. The height I assume this to be 2 meter of the person, and the person is the object in this case. So according to first property, object size is equal to image size. Here I have assumed that the size of the image is 2 meter tall, or not image, sorry, it is the object which is 2 meter tall. Then the image which is formed at the back of the mirror will also be 2 meter tall. So it is object size is equal to image size. Now second, object distance is equal to image distance from the mirror. This one is the mirror, the distance, the object is at a distance of 1 meter. So according to the second property, the distance of the image from the mirror will also be 1 meter. This one is the second property. Again, third property. Image is always erect. That means if the head is up, if the person is standing with the head upwards, then a similar image will be formed at the back with the head upwards. That is called erect. The image will also be erect. It will be similar to that of the object. That is the third property. Now the fourth property is image laterally inverted. That means left will appear. The left of the object will appear right of the image, and the right of the object will appear left of the image. That is called laterally inverted, and it is called lateral inversion. The property is known as lateral inversion. It is the fifth property. A virtual image is formed. That means the image which is formed at the back of the mirror cannot be projected on a screen. That is called a virtual image. That means the image which is formed cannot be shown on a screen. That is it. These are the 5 properties of a plane mirror. Hope it is clear to all of you. Again, I'll come up with something new in my next session. Thank you. Have a good day.